So in this video, I am going to just show you very quickly how to convert a PowerPoint with audio into an MP4 or an MOV movie format. MP4 is pretty widely used and compact, so I think that's a good choice. What I've done on this particular PowerPoint is I took your first section, and as you can see with the icon here, everything has audio on it. If a slide does not have audio on it, it does have a 5-second display default that will happen. So it will show, but it's just important when you do this to make sure you do have sufficient audio on each slide if the 5 seconds is going to be too little time. So you would go up to the File menu and then click on Export. You'll have a few options in the menu here. I will save this to my desktop. And then you use the file format to pull down. So I typically use an MP4 format. And then it's going to ask you what presentation quality that you want. Because these are going to be delivered on the web and most likely embedded in the course, I usually go with internet quality, which is a little less than presentation quality, but I think it's going to work for what we will use it in the LMS platform. Then you simply click Export, and then it will export the video. You can see over here, this one went pretty quickly. Then we can minimize the PowerPoint. I'll open the video. Let's see, that one I do have the one copy I worked on down here. So here is the finished. Sometimes it takes a few minutes to render, so that one may not quite be ready yet. But this is what the finished product looks like. So it's your PowerPoint slide minus all of the PowerPoint fields, because it's a video. So this turns out to be 10 minutes because again it's based on your audio talking through these screens. Now if you do have embedded hyperlinks, that is something that is not going to work on the video, so those wouldn't be clickable. So I'm not sure if that's a clickable item or not, but that would not work in this format. This is good though for being able to embed it into the site. Maybe if you have a lot of mobile users, it's going to be easier for them to control and go through the lectures in this format. So just an idea I wanted to put out there for those of you who are working on creating micro lectures right now for your online classes.